Hey guys, I'm Luna. If you are an artist, if you are an online creator, if you want to try your hand at Photoshop or Illustrator to create your own merch, this video is for you. Today I am going to be reviewing a dropshipping company called Printed Mint. I mainly chose Printed Mint because they have a lot of free branding options. As you can see, that is my own custom sticker right on the box. They also have different options for confetti and ribbons, so you can choose from like 5 different colors, and this is all for free. If you do use the paid branding, it takes a little bit more out of your profit, but you do have more options with that. I just got all of this free with the products. Stay tuned till the end of this video because I'm also doing a tutorial on how to put your designs on the mockups that Printed Mint provides, and also how to shop for the products because you actually manually do have to order the products. Printed Mint does integrate with Etsy, but even with the integration, you still have to manually order the products off of Printed Mint's website, so you do have to set the profit yourself and figure out how much profit you want, because obviously Printed Mint, by actually making the products, will take from your profit margin. It is not the same thing as a digital download where you get to keep all of the profit. But at the same time, digital downloads, I feel like, are a pain for customers because then they have the extra cost of actually getting your design printed out on something themselves. And that just adds time and money to their process. And if you don't want to do that, if you don't want to handle production at all, dropshipping is a great alternative. The first thing that I got is this camp mug. It is 10 fluid ounces. That is my design right there. I started with colored pencil and then I took a picture of it, put it into Photoshop, expanded it, rasterized it, all of that stuff. I edited it the way that I exactly wanted it on Photoshop, and then I put it on a mock-up and ordered the mug online. This was a sample. Honestly, it is a high quality mug. I don't see any flaws in like the design itself or the mug. So Printed Mint has great options for that. As far as clothing goes, I'm not an expert on textiles, so I did not order clothing from Printed Mint, but they have plenty of clothing options as well. I should mention that this video is not sponsored. I just love Printed Mint. I love the free branding options that they have as opposed to other dropshipping websites. So I thought that I would do this video because I searched Printed Mint reviews before I actually ordered from Printed Mint, and I felt like there were none on YouTube. The next thing that I ordered from Printed Mint is a foil art print. My only complaint about this item is that I ordered rose gold, and to me this looks very gold and not really rose gold, but it might have given me the wrong color. I'm not really sure, so fair warning, sometimes you don't always get what you order with this, and that can translate to customers getting the wrong order. It's not going to be your fault, so just explain that to the customer if anything like that does happen. If you are a creator, if you have your own Etsy store and you are looking to produce items with dropshipping, they actually have a discount for shop owners so that you can order samples for free. If you did want to buy an item from me, the only physical item that I have listed on my Etsy right now is this mug. Everything else in my shop currently is all digital download. I really recommend, if you're trying to do Etsy full time, if you have an online shop, dropshipping 10 out of 10 because you don't have to deal with capital, you don't have to deal with shipping. It's really convenient, but like I said, it does take away from your profit margin, so it really just depends on you as the business owner. I hope you enjoyed my review of Printed Mint, and again, stay tuned for the tutorial. I'm going to show you guys Printed Mint's actual website, and I'm going to show you some practical things that you probably want to know if you are interested in dropshipping. are just the first page of products, but they have plenty more options. I believe that they have over 8 pages of products that you can choose from. But I chose the Camp mug for this video and this tutorial. If you click on the Camp mug to actually purchase it, you can actually design the product on the website in order to order it from the company. Here is where you need to put your design itself on the red crosses. I already had something designed and it was very simple just to place the design on the red crosses. It will help you out if this is your first time doing this. It has an easy program to learn how to use. Once you have everything placed where it will show up once it is actually produced, then it's going to load some mock-ups. You can download those images and you can actually place mock-ups on Photoshop, which I'll show you in a minute. But those are the images that the website provides for itself. So if you don't have Photoshop, it's not a huge deal. Your placement on the product on the website is how they are literally going to produce it. So keep that in mind. This is how you download both the template and the mock-up of the mug to open in Photoshop. So first, I'm going to download the template. This is going to be the thing with the red crosses, and the goal is to get your transparent design centered on the red crosses, and then you're actually going to delete the red crosses. So now I'm going to download the mock-up. The mock-up is actually a Photoshop file, so when you open the mock-up, it's also going to open Photoshop. I'm waiting for Photoshop to load, so let that load. Once everything finishes loading, you're actually going to want to put your design on top of where it says sample design and delete the sample design. So you're going to go to layers, you're going to look for what says sample design. I went ahead and already deleted the sample design layer on the mug. I'm going to place an embedded image of my transparent design onto the mug, and then basically you're finished from there and you have made your mock-up. Now obviously Printed Mint does provide mock-ups with your design on them for you, so either way you can do this. Photoshop provides a little bit more customization, but the benefit of using Printed Mint's built-in software is the way that you put it on the product, whatever it may be, on Printed Mint is the way that they will design it. I make videos about lifestyle fashion. Remember to be capable and stay beautiful.